Welcome to DelftStack, and in today's video, I will show you how to turn on privacy mode in AnyDesk. In today's tutorial, we will keep your screen private during remote sessions so sensitive information stays protected. Privacy mode is available only on paid plans, so make sure your license supports it. First, open AnyDesk on the device you want to protect. Click the main menu icon, then go to Settings. Go to the Privacy section and enable the Blur option. Choose Blur Strength from light blur to strong blur depending on your need. Then, open Permissions, click Unlock and approve the admin prompt. This allows AnyDesk to apply system-level privacy features. Now start your remote session as usual. During the session, open the Session menu and go to Settings. Turn on Privacy mode again to apply it live. If the option is missing, check your license or update AnyDesk. Make sure you have the latest version installed because older versions may not show privacy mode options. Also confirm that both devices support privacy mode before starting the session. During setup, if privacy mode still does not appear, restart AnyDesk and recheck settings, as some changes only apply after a full restart and proper admin permissions have been granted on the system, and try again once done. Thanks for watching.